Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide all Facebook photos with only me setting. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to hide all your Facebook photos and set the visibility to only me, you will need to adjust your privacy settings. So you cannot do this in bulk, but you need to simply do it one by one. So for this, simply tap open your Facebook and go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to scroll down below and tap on photos. Once you're in the photos, simply select the photo you want to hide, and once you have selected it, you can find the three dot option on the top right hand side of the corner. Simply tap on it and there you can find the edit privacy option. Simply tap on it and tap on only me. Once you do this, you need to tap on save option, and now this will allow you to hide your Facebook photos with only me setting. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.